Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry. This is my my routine outfit at home. So yeah, let's I will unbox this. This is Condotti luggage. This is for, I think for is it for cabin? This is the first time I have my own personal. I buy it by my money, by my blood, by my work hard. Maybe for some of you, maybe it's cheap, but for me, it's not so cheap. Yeah. So I would say this is my first time I got my luggage. So as always, this is the definitely I always buy the original. Yeah. Oh my goodness, I am so really overweight. Yeah. When I'm stressed, I'm overweight. And then yeah, I mean like there are a lot of things. Okay. Condotti. And this is for the, you can put your laptop one. So this one, it's very lightweight. Yeah, it's very lightweight. This is comes from, I mean the color is like army color, but not too army because there is a shiny silhouette. This one, sorry guys. Yeah, name Condotti Piero collection. Okay. And then this is very lightweight. I think this is the most lightweight. Anti-theft zipper. Yeah, the secure. And then this is the warranty Condotti. Okay, the weight is only just 2.50 kilogram, 2.5, size 20, green gradation, Condotti Piero collection. Yeah, you can put your laptop here. How I'm going to use it? How? Okay, I didn't know how to open it. Wait, later ya. This is just for the unboxing. Ini banget ya. I mean like it's very lightweight, to be honest. You can spin it. And then there is two handles. So if you want, you use this. Yeah. Use this. And there is a fit. So you, yeah, there's a fit. Okay guys, this is my first luggage. Okay, 20 inch. Is it 20 inch? Yes, 20 inch and Piero collection Condotti and in green gradation, and it is for the laptop one. So it's cabin. I think it's cabin, right? Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Please thumbs up. Bye.